What is up, lifelong learners? It's your boy Mr. Heng, and I'm back with another tutorial. I know, no face this time, but it's all good. You're gonna go ahead and read this, pause it and read this. I want to keep the video short without too much editing, so I'm gonna go straight to number 2. We're not gonna review the previous lesson. You can watch the video from the previous lesson in this playlist. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is how to add and remove video tracks and audio tracks. The first thing here is I want you to go to your classroom and then go to WeVideo and then edit in Canvas. But I don't like this because you should go to wevideo.com instead and then log in with your student account, and then you have more options up here. You do not have these options up here in Canvas. See that? Okay, so go to wevideo.com instead and edit from there. So the first thing I'm going to do here is going to go to projects, and I'm going to go down here. Okay, you're gonna make a new project, give it a title, give it a description, make sure you select personal because we're not doing anything collaborative or sharing yet. All right, so I've already made one. It's right here, Mr. Heng demo. I'm gonna double click into that. Okay, and then I'm gonna start a new project inside of that main project. So I click this button right here, and then I'm going to start a new project. So to start a new project, I have to first name this. So today's lesson is focused on doing B-roll and sound effects. So B-roll and SFX. That is what you're going to name your video project. Okay, B-roll and SFX. So that name changes right there. So the next thing we're going to talk about here is how to add and subtract or add and remove more video layers and audio layer. So you click on this button right here, and then you'll have an option to add video tracks. You can name it as well, and then you can click add. It'll add a video track up here. So I'm going to add 2 more, video track number 4 and video track number 5. So make sure you have video track 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So then you're going to click on add, but this time you're going to select audio. So this is now audio 2, or you can change the audio name. Click on add track, and then click on the plus sign, click on audio and add track again. So this is pretty much all you'll ever need in my class, honestly. I mean, I've done up to 10 video tracks and 10 audio tracks just to see how far we can go. I'm pretty sure you can go more, but you know, we're processing online here. It's gonna be a little slow if I have too many layers. Okay, so I keep this really simple at 5 video tracks and 3 audio tracks. Now, the next thing we're going to do here is how do you remove the tracks? Well, you can click on this ... right here, and then you can delete the track. I'm going to do Command Z here, and I bring back video layer number 5. So again, ... and you have all these options here. I'm not really going to talk about it. And just keep it simple. Just add and subtract. Add and delete video tracks. And you can do the same thing with audio tracks. All right? Okay. So we've done part 2. Now we're going to go to part 3. This one takes a little bit longer and more effort on my behalf to explain. So how do you record video and audio with a webcam and onboard mic, or just audio with the onboard mic? So what I want you to do is find a good background and a quiet place to record your 10+ seconds of video and or audio. Now some of you guys don't want to show your face. I understand that, so that's all good with me. But for those of you who don't mind showing your face, that'll be nice. If I can just, you know, see a human being. All right, so what you're going to do here is you are going to go to My Media, and you're going to click on, not import, but you're going to click on Record, okay? And then you're going to click on Webcam, and then you're going to click on Next. And then it's going to ask you, WeVideo, the browser is going to ask you, hey, can WeVideo turn on your webcam and your internal mic that's on the Chromebook or laptop or whatever you're recording with? Just accept it. All right, so I've already accepted. It's not going to ask me anymore. So I click on Next, and then you're going to have these options right here. So I have my fancy camera right here, but I also have my face camera right here. This is built into my iMac. And then this GoPro webcam. I connected my GoPro right there. Okay, so that screen right there is my fancy Blackmagic A10 Mini Pro. So I'm going to choose this one right here because it is going to look the best. All right. And then I'm going to select my mic. So I have options here, and I have no mic, which records no audio. And then there's a helicopter flying by, hopefully not catching it. By default, my Rode Video Mic NTG, this microphone right here, is my default microphone. It's my USB microphone, and then I can have my internal mic, which is built into my iMac, and a bunch of other options. But what I'm going to choose is the default here because I want the best sounding audio with this fancy mic that I have. And then I'm going to click record. Okay. So I'm going to record for like 2 seconds. Wait quietly for 2 seconds. Hey, what's up, lifelong learners? It's your boy, Mr. Heng. I was born in year of the rooster. Caw-caw! I'm gonna add a sound effects right there. And that's it. So just record a little short about yourself and share it with me, okay? I'll see you in the next video. So let's say I want to review that, right? I can click on here. All right, so I actually only want to record something that's only 2 seconds long. Not 2 seconds, about roughly 10 to 15 seconds long. So I'm going to do it again. Hey, what's up, class? It's your boy, Mr. Heng, and I just wanted to share with you that I was born in Cambodia, year of the rooster. Caw-caw! All right, that's the end of my video. So I'm going to wait 2 seconds now. Okay, so now I can stop this, okay, and then I can click save. I actually like that video. And you can see here, I'm going to delete these from previous class examples. Okay, I'm going to delete both of these. All I did was push right click, delete. Okay, and I'm going to remove my old videos and audio from last class. This is the new one. So what I can do here is drag it and put it on video layer 1. But for most of you, it's going to automatically put this in video layer 1 for you. All right. So now what I can do here is I can expand this by clicking this arrow down here, and I can make this smaller by shrinking the size of the video track. And I can go medium or I can go large. And when you go large, you can see the audio track. So I'm going to click right here, okay, and drag my audio, drag my cutter or my playhead right there, and I'm going to cut, and I'm going to delete this side right here. Hey, what's up, class? It's your boy, Mr. Heng, and I just wanted to share with you now. All right, so I'm okay with that. I'm going to click and drag over here, and then I'm going to end my video. All right, so I'm going to cut this part right here, or you don't have to push cut. You can just click and drag at the end over here to make this roughly about 10 seconds long. Okay, roughly. All right, so your video by the end, it should be roughly 10 to 15 seconds long. A little something about yourself. Okay, so if your video doesn't fit, again, you can push the plus and minus sign right here. I'm going to push plus for a little bit more because I want to zoom in a little bit more. All right. That's good enough. Okay, so that is how you record your audio, video and audio. Now, let's say you're shy and you don't want to record your face and you just want to record your audio. So what you do here is you click narrate right there. Click narrate, and this is assuming that you've already allowed the WeVideo to access your mic. You can click record. Again, wait 2 seconds. Before I start talking. Alright, so this is your boy Mr. Heng. I don't really care about this audio. This is just a demonstration, and we is good right here, right now. Let's go. Alright, so I'm going to save that. And look what happens when you save it. It automatically adds a voiceover audio track for you. So you can click and drag this and make it, you know, start at the beginning here. You can trim it, so on and so forth, just like the video track right here. But I don't really care for this, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete that track. All right, for those of you who don't want to show your face, this is the option you would use, is to click on narrate up here. Okay, so I'm going to delete this track because I don't really care for it. Okay, so now that I've deleted this track, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to edit my B-roll in, my relevant B-roll. So relevant B-roll, I said something about Year of the Rooster. Okay. All right. Year of the Rooster. All right. So Year of the Rooster. So I'll go find a rooster stock video. You can find whatever video you want to use. I just happen to talk about rooster. So I'm going to show a rooster, and the rooster is like right here. Okay. So I'm going to trim this one, make it shorter. I'm going to make this shorter like that. And then I'm going to listen for the sound rooster. Audio, Year of the Rooster. All right, so Year of the Rooster. I will put that rooster right there. Year of the Rooster. All right, that's the end of my video. Okay, so I want to trim this to make it a little bit shorter like that. All right, so that's my relevant B-roll. I said something about rooster. I want to show something of a rooster. Born in Cambodia, Year of the Rooster. All right, so now I'm going to add one relevant sound effects. And I go back to my media. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to click import, and then I can browse to go look for my rooster sound effects, which is right here. So I'm going to upload or import that sound effects, and it's right there. Okay, so while it's uploading, I can just drag and drop right here. I said caca somewhere like right here. So I'm going to put a rooster noise, and at the same time I'm saying caca. Audio, Year of the Rooster. All right, that's the end of my video. So I'm going to wait 2 seconds now. All right. Hey, what's up, class? So that's pretty much what I want you to do. A little something about yourself, relevant B-roll, and some sound effects. Now, some of you might not get the right sound effects because you don't have that sound effects. That's okay. Just put a sound effect that's close enough. Okay. All right. So now the next thing here is we are going to export. So you click Finish. You click and make sure you name this correctly, B-roll and sound effects. All right, video, SD is fine. We don't need HD, save some space. Click on this because I have not shown you how to connect the Google Drive yet, your student Google Drive. Have not done that yet. So click on WeVideo and then click on export. Okay, so while this thing is exporting, I'm going to click back over here. Actually, I'm going to click up here to export, because I'm just waiting for this to export. And that's the reason why I want you to be at WeVideo.com to edit, because you have this export right there. And it'll be ready in 5 seconds. So while we are waiting for the export to go through, we are going to create a B-roll and sound effects folder in your Unit 3 WeVideo folder. So you're going to go to your Google Drive. You're going to go to My Drive. And then you're going to go to your class, Digital Photography and Filmmaking 1-2, that folder. And then we're going to go to Unit 3 folder, and then you're going to make a new folder. I'll delete this one just so I can show you the whole process. You can click on New Folder, and then click Folder, and name this one B-roll and Sound FX, so SFX, create. Okay? And then what you're going to do here is while your video is still exporting, I mean, this one's done, but let's assume that your video is still exporting. You can go back to your project. You can go back to that project, just double click into it. And then I will zoom back out here, and I'm going to take a screenshot of my timeline, because this is just proof that you know how to use B-roll and sound effects. I just need to see the video track layers as well. So I'm going to do Command-Shift+, Command-Shift-3 to screenshot the whole screen, or do Command-Shift-4, and I get to select the area that I want to screenshot. Some of you guys might want to just take your phone and take a picture, and that's fine too. I just need to see this screenshot of the timeline. Okay? And then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to my Finder, and then go to my desktop, and I'm going to scroll down, and I'll get the screenshot of my timeline, which is right here. Okay? This is the timeline that I just took a screenshot of. All right? And I drag and drop it into the B-roll and sound effects folder in your Google Drive. Okay, let's assume now that WeVideo is done exporting. So you go back to WeVideo after taking the screenshot. You're going to click export on top right here, and then you double click into this export and you'll get an option to download your export. So click download, and then you'll be able to download your export, and that export is going to also go into the B-roll and sound effects folder. So when I download, it goes straight to my download folder, and it says right here, B-roll and sound effects. I think it's this one right here, or was it this one? I don't know. I think it's this one right here. So I'll just drag and drop. That was the one I did for demo today or tonight. And now I have these two files in my B-roll and sound effects folder. You're going to right click on that, or go to WeVideo, Unit 3 WeVideo, and then right click on that, get the share link. Make sure you choose anyone with link can view. All right, make sure it's a viewer, and then copy the link, done. And then you're going to take it to your module. You're going to scroll down, and you're going to see B-roll and sound effects, and you're going to submit the link that you just copied, and I will be able to see both of these files. Okay, your edited video and the screenshot of your timeline. And that's it. That's how you do it. All right, so I'm trying to keep this video short without too much editing. Rock, paper, peace, and see you in the next video.